Nashua around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Doherty, Oakwood, Powersville, Roseville and County Roads 147 and T34. This thunderstorm may produce a tornado. If one is observed, move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet or basement. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm, and will lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Floyd, Iowa. This is NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Station WXL 94 at Waterloo, Iowa, transmitting on 162.55 MHz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa. A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Floyd County in north-central Iowa until 9 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen and another 1 to 3 inches is likely by 9 p.m. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Charles City, Floyd, Marble Rock, Oakwood, Powersville, Roseville, Midway, Buns Woods County Park, Kerrville and Floyd Crossing. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots.